Hey there, quick review on this Grandaily bath rug. I've reviewed a ton of different bath rugs, many of which have this micro cloth material. There's just a few things you want to watch out for. Otherwise, most of them are the same. Is it thick enough and is there enough material to make it plush and look good? With this, the answer is yes. This one also has a very slight design to it. You'll notice the microfiber nubs that stick out on this are thicker, going in stripes, and then they get a little bit thinner, thicker, thinner. So it is striped just a little bit, so it's not the same design and texture throughout, but you'll notice you can't hardly even pick that up with your eye, so it's not a very bold design. Now on the back side here, you do have a non-slip, non-skid surface, so the mat's gonna stay in place really well, doesn't slide around at all whenever you touch it and push it and whatnot. Now, how does it feel? It's gonna feel great on bare feet. It's very plush, nice and thick. These microfiber nubs that are sewn into this absorb a ton of water, so it's gonna have great water absorption as well. Overall, this looks excellent. It's nicely sewn together, good quality. I don't see anything wrong with this. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a bath rug that looks great and feels great and does its job.